Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps ATC Trick or Treat House 4x6 stamp set. Whimsy Stamps is bringing us another multi-use stamp set with this one. Now the images in this set are sized to fit your artist trading cards, but they can also be used to create cards, tags, stamp treat boxes, and used in scrapbooking. I'm going to stamp the images onto artist trading cards while I give you some details. This set includes one image and 7 sentiments. Now the large trick or treat sentiment that I'm stamping out here, plus beware, spooky, trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat, and if one door opens and another closes, your house is probably haunted. I love those sentiments. So I have 2 samples to share with you, starting with this slimline card that uses the image of the haunted house and the large trick or treat sentiment. I created a little backstory using the attempted murder stamp with this card. Now I love this next sample showing the image fits perfectly on an A2 card, and you can create some quick and simple cards with that. Let me know what you think of the ATC Trick or Treat House stamp set in the comments below. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. And until next time, please take care.